stay. Back to back. Alright. We're gonna patrol the village entrances, but stay defensive. Okay.
For the win!
CodeCombat.
Villagers must survive. Eliminate the ogres. Are we attacking them? Expand your code's possibilities by using else. Yay! Else is just like if, except it contains a code that should run when the if condition is false. So basically, if there's an enemy, we attack the enemy. Otherwise, or else, if there's no enemy, we say, I don't see an enemy. How cute. Okay, so enemy, if there's an enemy, we attack it. Else, we do what? Heroes say, what do we say? No enemy. Or move back to your defensive position. Oh, okay, so I guess we don't say anything. Let's read directions, people. We're gonna move back to the X, which is at 40:34. Because I was about to be like, oh no, we don't see anybody. There's an enemy. There's an enemy. Move back. There's an enemy. Jeez, that's a lot of running. Yeah. 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 Very, very nice. So this ends our live stream for today. I'm live on Twitch. Stella Decoder, same name. Follow me on Twitch at Stella Decoder. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's Stella Decoder. I'm on Instagram, Stella Decoder. I'm on TikTok, Stella Decoder. So just find me anywhere. As you can see, the handles are down here. It has been fun. I hope to see you next week, and we will do some more activities within here. I think we've done a lot today. How many did we do?